How to make money on Pinterest 2023. Can Pinterest make money? Yes, absolutely. There are several ways you can earn directly and indirectly from the platform. As one of the most popular image search engines and social media platforms, Pinterest allows millions of users to find inspiration by sharing beautiful images. A wide audience and advanced marketing features make the platform attractive for content monetization. Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to explain how to make money on Pinterest 2023. As making money online is becoming a more popular source of income, can you make money on Pinterest? How cool would it be if you could publish a pin and earn a very passive income from it for months or years? Or if you could promote your favorite products and get paid to do it? The list is long. If you are curious, watch till the end. This video will show you the many ways you can make money on Pinterest. Let's dive in. Can you make money on Pinterest? Thanks to Pinterest's wide and well-rounded audience, it's no surprise that more and more bloggers are exploring monetization opportunities on the platform. If you're looking for ways to make money on Pinterest, the good news is there are plenty. To run an effective marketing campaign on Pinterest, it is important to learn how to create and optimize beautiful pins that capture the attention of your audience. Exploring the platform's communities and networking will help promote your pins to a larger audience. From there, you can monetize your traffic by directing it to your website, affiliate offers, or other platforms. Pinterest demographics. When choosing a platform for your business, you should consider whether it aligns with your audience and marketing goals. So, before you think about how to monetize Pinterest, be sure to check its main audience. According to Omnicore, here are some numbers that a marketer might find useful. Pinterest has over 478 million monthly users. 50% of Pinterest's audience is US citizens. The total number of Pinterest pins exceeds 240 billion. More than 2 million Pinterest users save shopping pins to their boards every day. The majority, 60%, of new Pinterest signups are women. The market cap of the platform is $13.7 billion. On average, users spend about 14.2 minutes on Pinterest per visit. 84% of users make purchase decisions on Pinterest. Half of Pinterest's audience makes over $50,000 a year. How to make money on Pinterest? With its growing popularity, great marketing system, and built-in shopping features, Pinterest offers marketers plenty of opportunities to earn money. Here are the most common ways to earn on the 2023 platform. 1. Affiliate marketing. Did you know you can do affiliate marketing on Pinterest? That's right, you can promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest and earn a commission from any sales. You can link standard and video pins to affiliate links, and you can even tag products in idea pins using affiliate links. This way, you can monetize all your Pinterest pins. Isn't it amazing? The most important thing to do if you are considering Pinterest affiliate marketing is to familiarize yourself with the rules and guidelines. For example, you need: make it clear that all pins with affiliate links are disclosed by inserting hashtag ad. Make sure your affiliate programs and networks allow you to promote their links on Pinterest. Don't use URL shorteners like bit.ly. There are other rules you should learn before you get started to protect yourself and your Pinterest account. 2. Selling products. Promoting products on Pinterest can be a great way to generate more leads and sales. Pinterest has increased its focus on e-commerce, even coming up with new integrations for Shopify and WooCommerce. Many people have seen success linking their pins to their products on Etsy. Pinterest also introduced the Verified Merchant program to help pinners find new trusted brands to shop with. Even Pinterest says merchants in the program see a 17% higher conversion rate compared to non-participating merchants. All of this being said, it's safe to assume that Pinterest will continue its e-commerce efforts well into the future, which means now is a better time than ever to get started. 3. Growing blog traffic. Pinterest can be a great source of blog traffic. In fact, there are some bloggers who get enough Pinterest traffic to join premium ad networks. Fortunately, there are ways you can use blog traffic from Pinterest to make money. Ad revenue. If you can get enough people to your website from Pinterest, ads can be a great way to make passive income. Some ad networks require a certain number of monthly page views or sessions, but some you can get upfront. Pinterest traffic may not pay as much as traffic from other sources, especially Google, but it can still bring in good income. Affiliate income. Once you are able to get Pinterest traffic to your blog, another way you can make money is through affiliate links on your blog. When you talk about a product you like, you can include an affiliate link on it, and if someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you'll make a commission on the sale. This can be a very effective way to earn money. Growing an email list. If you get Pinterest traffic to your blog, some of these visitors may become email subscribers if they fill out an opt-in form. Email lists can be incredibly profitable as they provide direct communication to people who are interested in what you have to say and offer. 4. Sell your own products. Pinterest is a social platform if you want to sell digital and physical products. What should you do to increase your sales on Pinterest? Set up your business account. This will give you access to pro tools like analytics and paid advertising. Study your audience. The better you know who you're selling to, the more likely your pins will resonate with them. In addition, Pinterest offers refined targeting options that allow marketers to reach the right audience. Make the most of Shop the Look pins. They allow users to make hassle-free purchases by simply clicking the pin. Drive sales with a powerful call to action button. Show your product is in use. For example, you can demonstrate how a customer uses your product. Provide more information directly on a pin with rich pins. There are 4 types of rich pins, including product, recipe, article, and app pins. Take advantage of user-generated content. Encourage your customers to post pins featuring your products. Leverage influencer marketing. Use infographics to show that your product can solve some of your audience's pain points. Create images that attract attention. Monitor your business. 5. Being an influencer. Influencer marketing is a buzzword in online marketing today. This cutting-edge strategy allows brands to collide with their target audience and reach more people. What do you need to stand out as a pinfluencer? Build a massive following. Start by following other pinners in your niche that resonate with you. They may follow you. Make sure your content is relevant and search optimized. Create group boards. Create attention-grabbing content. 6. Being a virtual mentor or assistant. You can establish yourself as an expert in a niche and use Pinterest to promote your services. To achieve this, you need to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and demonstrates your expertise. For this, create boards on topics in your niche and provide valuable information, tips, and advice. However, don't make your Pinterest campaign boring and soulless. Make sure your personality shines through. It will help you stand out from other Pinterest experts. In addition, building rapport and trust with your audience is really important on social media. If you make a living from Pinterest, you can become a Pinterest assistant and help people develop their Pinterest marketing strategy and modify their Pinterest accounts for success. 7. Selling Pinterest templates, graphics, and art. Pinterest is one of the most visual social media channels and provides inspiration for many people. If you are a creative soul, why not earn money on it? You can sell your art, graphics, templates, designs, etc. When selling your designs on Pinterest, don't overlook some basic practices. Use keywords in pin descriptions. Add a price to each piece you sell. Include a link to your website or blog. Use boards to create a digital portfolio. Demonstrate that your creative activities are ongoing. Build a community. For this, share and comment on other people's pins. Pin continuously. 8. Etsy/Shopify store. Pinterest is a shopping platform, and promoting your products and services has never been easier. Make sure you link your store to your profile and turn on rich pins so your prices and availability are automatically updated on your pins. If you have physical or digital products, I recommend doing a photo shoot with your products. Naturally, only highlight them against a white background. Keep photos that use them. Idea pins are huge with pinners because you can show in real time how your products are used and what it really looks like, so try to create at least 1 to 4 ideal pins per week. With Pinterest, you can link your account to your Etsy store. You need to go to your account settings claim, and there you should see an option for Etsy. Go ahead and connect your shop with Etsy. For Shopify, it's a bit more complicated. Since Pinterest is a search and distribution platform, it is not necessary to have a certain number of followers to make money. You can have one follower and earn income from Pinterest. What matters is your engagement on Pinterest. If pinners are engaging and interacting with your content, then that's a great sign. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.